Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and launching the right setting. Sign into your Samsung account and enable a screen lock method, secure folder ties to your authentication. Once signed in, open Settings and type Secure Folder in the search bar, or go to Biometrics and Security. Tap Secure Folder to begin setup. You're doing this now because Secure Folder needs account, lock type, and permission grants. This ensures isolation and backup options work properly. Now you'll configure access and populate the folder. Follow the on-screen wizard to choose PIN, pattern, password, or biometrics. Pick what's quickest and secure for you. Make sure to grant requested permissions for storage and optionally enable backup to your Samsung account so data persists. Once done, use Add Apps or Add Files inside Secure Folder to import content. Choose Move to remove originals or Copy to keep duplicates. This step creates the actual protected. To finish, open Secure Folder from your app drawer or quick panel and authenticate with the method you set. You'll see only items stored inside. Use the three-dot menu to manage, add, or remove apps and files. Move items out when you want them public again. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, make sure to use Samsung Find My Mobile or the Samsung Account Recovery flow before a factory reset. This preserves data when possible and explains why linking your Samsung account matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.